Ready to share your Capcut template with others? Join me as we unlock the secrets to posting your creations. Alright, let's jump in. Open up your Capcut app. Edit your template to perfection. Fine-tune transitions. Experiment with music and sprinkle in your creative flair, add captivating effects, and make your creation truly stand out. Play with text styles. Once your template is a masterpiece, go ahead and hit that Share Your Post as a Template button. It takes a time according to the size of video and mobile capacity. Our template has been exported. The issue is the option of sharing template is not available. To post your template on Capcut, you need to be a pro editor or a regular editor. If you're not one of them, you're not really able to post your template on Capcut. But if you are one, you'll be able to see an option that says, Share your post as template, and you can simply tap on it and share your post. Thanks for watching.